Sixth session of 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly kicks off today with presentation of full annual budget for 2024-25. Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata Singh chaired the first day of the session, which will comprise of 9 sittings altogether. Chief Minister Biren, who is also the finance in charge, presented a budget estimate worth Rs 34,899 crore for 2024-25 with a total receipt of Rs 34,815 crore. Chief Minister proposes Rs 8,616 crore as capital outlay, with annual fiscal deficit estimated to be at Rs 1,526 crore, which is 3% of GSDP. The outstanding debt of 2024-25 was proposed to be at 37% of GSDP. Chief Minister maintained that the GSDP for 2024-25 will be Rs 49,937 crore. Chief Minister also tabled demand for grant, annual financial statement for 2024-25, Manipur budget at a glance, demand for excess grant. Later, Law Minister in charge T.H. Basantakumar also tabled separate audit report for Manipur State Legal Service Authority. Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly presented bill which had received assent from Governor. Chief Minister Biren also presented 7th Business Advisory Committee report for 2024, followed by demand for excess grant for 2018-19. During the question hour, opposition MLAs moved the House on various issues concerning the state, including matters concerning ongoing crisis, devastation caused by recent natural calamities in the state, and also regarding pending panchayat election.